start, y'all. So we already know at this point with the hair videos, I always start off looking rough, but we get there. It's about 8 o'clock at night on a Sunday. I'm tired. You're just gonna put a little lip gloss on just to make me feel alive, because right now I feel not alive. Okay, let's get it started. So I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday, so it's washed and blow dried. So I recommend blow drying your hair. I didn't want to have to straighten my hair, so blow drying, I just blow dried it as straight as I could get, and this won't come out. I just blow dried it as straight as I could get it. Let me tell you something, okay? That frontal took half of my edges with it. Your sister's, she needs some miracle drops, okay? She needs to get her edges back, because she don't know where they went, okay? So just don't judge me, because they gone. Well, not all of them, just this one spot right here is just really bald. Like, excuse me? Disrespectful. Anyway, so I blow dried my hair as straight as I could get it. It did grow a little while it was in the weave, but especially I can tell the front, because remember, this is the part that I cut, and it is now past my face, and when I did cut it, it was like right here. So it grew. My scalp is really tender. I gave it today, which is Sunday, to breathe and just be out, but now it's time to style it because I got school tomorrow. So I'm gonna start off by brushing it out because it was in a bun, so I just want to brush it out, get all the tangles out, because again, we're not putting no flat iron to this hair. Normally when I do ponytails though, I do, like when I do it to a client, because I do hair, I will normally straighten their hair, or they will come to me with their hair already straight. So it just depends, but for me personally, I'm not trying to straighten my hair. We all know how that goes for me. Never ends well, always ends up in damage, so we're just gonna steer clear of that for me. It may not look as cohesive, or like, it may not look as natural, but I really don't care, because at the end of the day, the ponytail is coming out. I gotta regrow this. So now that it is brushed out, it is time to figure out where the ponytail is going. So as you guys can tell, my hair, I have a lot of hair, and it's not really short. I don't think it's long, honestly. I just think that it's at like medium length. What is this in my hair? Like, do y'all see it? Y'all see it too, right? Yeah, I'm trying to, yeah, it's a little fuzzy. And I'm gonna tie it, like just the ends though, so that it's not in the way and I can really get it as sleek as possible. So now that that is up there, defying gravity, living its best life, we are now going to take, oh, I didn't even tell you what hair I'm using. I look so crazy like this, like I can't even take myself seriously, but let me show you what I'm using. So we did not come to play. We are using 30-inch bundles, okay? 30 inches of hair. I got 2 bundles of hair from my beauty supply because it's just a ponytail. I'm not doing a full sewing, so, and the hair is pretty good. Like, it ain't stiff. That's all I can say. But it is 30 inches, and I got it in the color 1B, and it was $10 per bundle, so that's very cheap. So you already know this hair not gonna last, but it's okay. This hair's still not supposed to last you a whole month. And the bundle is like pretty thin, so I had to buy 2 to make sure my ponytail was a little thicker. It may not even be as thick as I want it to be, but your girl's on a budget, so the $10 bundles it was. And that was the only 30-inch bundles there too, so yeah. That's what I'm using for the actual hair. So moving on, I'm really like so sad about this little section right here, like so sad. Anyway, so first thing, I'm not gonna use Eco because she's gonna revert my hair back, so I'm gonna have to use Got to Be Glue, which is what put my edges in this predicament. But first I'm going to be taking the blasting spray because this is what I know how to use first. So when I'm using this, I'm gonna not go anywhere near my edges because, as again, they're barely there. So I'm gonna go around the perimeter, and as I'm going around, I'm gonna quickly brush because this really does dry fast. So I gotta be quick with it. And I also have to make sure I know where I'm putting this hair. So let me just figure that out real quick. I know I want it back, so we winging it because I ain't never did this before. No. Okay. I guess let's start. So taking this spray again, and you already told y'all how I'm gonna do this. So y'all pretty much watching me. This is not even a tutorial, so I'm about to put on Summer Walker album and y'all just gonna watch me do this real quick. So as y'all saw, I tried to get this as tight as possible. It's actually pretty tight. I think I did a good job. I used about 3 or 4, I think 3 hair ties, and then I just braided my real hair because I mean that was the next step. That I look like Nicole TV, like what? So yeah, here's the braid. We're just gonna try to put her down because she's a little excited. Yeah. So now the next step, I really wish this was brighter for y'all. I should have filmed this in the bathroom, but I wasn't thinking. So anyway, now that this is like what it is and the braid is finished, I'm not gonna attach the weave until the base is finished because after the weave is on, it's not much I'm gonna want to do because it's really long and it's going to be getting in the way. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm sorry my chair is squeaking y'all, but bear with me. So what I'm gonna do now is take out what baby hairs I have left in my head, and I'm gonna style them, and then I'm gonna touch up this, so make sure that there's no flyaways, like she's good. And I'm gonna style the edges, then I'm gonna wrap it all, and while it's wrapped, then I'm gonna start on the weave. So I'm gonna again put y'all on fast forward for like fixing up the hair and stuff, and that's where you're gonna see me use the gel. But yeah, because it's self-explanatory, y'all can just watch me do this. Again, this ain't really a tutorial, it's kind of try it with me. I may title this a tutorial just so that people click on it, but this ain't really a tutorial. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to the album and I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm finished touching it up and after I wrap it. So yeah. So I told you I will come back when the hair was wrapped. And as you can see, she is wrapped, okay? She ain't going nowhere, okay? Again, sorry for my chair. But now it is time to wrap the weave. This is as flat as anything it can get. I was so discouraged doing my edges. I'm sitting here like, why am I even doing them? It ain't nothing there to do. They're so thin. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm really going to buy me some Miracle Drops. And I'm going to do a review and tell y'all if I got my edges back. Because I don't know where they went. Anyway, so I'm going to be pinning it around the braid. And I'm going to do it with both of the tracks. And you're just going to watch me do that. Again, self-explanatory. That's it. All was going well until my stupid self realized I wasn't supposed to braid my hair. She was supposed to go in a bun. You see this? It's not supposed to be there. So now I have to take both of these bundles out, put this in a bun, and rewrap it. I'll be back when all of that is done. Hopefully the Summer Walker album can calm me down while I do it. But I should have knew better. Besides that, I can visualize what it's gonna look like. And she cute. She cute. But yeah. I'll be back when I fix my stupid mistake. Aren't you glad you watched this video before you did it? Hopefully you weren't doing this with me because... yeah, let's just hope you weren't. Be back when I'm done. Since the last clip, it has been an hour. I have unwrapped, detangled, and rewrapped this ponytail 5 times. I had to take out the entire thing and redo it. I'm not okay, but it's finished. I already went and wrapped it off camera because I low-key forgot I was filming a video. This is both of the bundles in. The method that I did, I braided my real hair. Then I took the weave and I pinned it up the braid to cover the braid with hair. Then I took the second bundle and just wrapped it around the base. All enthusiasm for this video has gone out the window after the 3rd try, which was approximately 30 minutes ago. Okay. 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 See you in the morning. It's the next morning. I gotta leave the house in 30 minutes, so let's just finish this video. I wanted to have time to re-straighten the ponytail, but I just don't have the time. So after I take off the wraps, my hair is pretty hard. The edges are pretty set. Well, except for the sides. This is the ponytail. There's nothing much more to say other than this is the ponytail, like. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Tell your friends to watch my channel. And thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I just hit that yesterday. And I'm so grateful. And just keep looking out for more videos. This video just took all the energy out of me, but hopefully the next one is better.